welcome to the ID90 Travel YouTube channel. My name is Meru and I'm one of the brand ambassadors this year. In this video, I'll walk you through 4 different outfit ideas that you can wear to the airport to still be cute and comfortable. From all my travel experiences, I find these are some of the outfits that I find myself wearing the most. So let's jump right in.
Alright, so let's get started with outfit number 1. Now this is probably the easiest look to do and probably my favorite. It's athleisure, it's cute and it's comfortable. It's really perfect if you wanted to get a quick workout in before your plane ride. I usually wear this the most, I feel. So the basis of this look is just a cute pair of leggings and a comfortable shirt with your sneakers, and on top you're gonna wear your leather jacket. The reason I styled a leather jacket with this outfit is because it saves you a lot of room in your backpack. So instead of putting it inside your backpack or your suitcase, you can just wear it. And if you get too hot on the plane, you can always take it off. I love to travel with the leather jacket because you can style it casual, you can style it very classy if you're going out, and it's just an overall great piece. Alright, let's jump into outfit number 2. I call this the comfortable and cute look. So for this outfit, you're going to need your favorite jumpsuit. I picked this one up from Target. It's made from the softest material ever, and it's my favorite thing to wear while traveling. It's like wearing your pajamas. And on top of that, I wore my jean jacket. So another trend you're seeing here is I tend to wear all of my jackets on the plane so I don't have to pack them. I really love a jumpsuit like this for long flights, especially international, because it's so comfortable. It's like you're wearing pajamas on the airplane without actually having to wear pajamas. So if you wanted to get upgraded, if you wanted a little extra treatment from the flight attendants, you always have that. You still look cute, comfortable, put together, and you represent your airline really well. So for outfit number 3, we have a comfortable black dress and a jean jacket. The reason I chose the dress for this outfit is because it's really easy to go from your office to plane in this outfit. All you have to do is throw on a jean jacket to make it a little bit more casual and you're good to go. This dress is probably one of my favorites. It's very comfortable and breathable and good for a long flight as well. Another reason I like to wear a dress on the plane for a long flight is because if you land early in the morning, you can just wear that and go. You don't have to go back to your hotel and change and find another outfit. Alright, for this last outfit, I'm wearing a casual pair of jeans with a comfortable tank top and a long cardigan. I love wearing a long cardigan on a flight because it's good, it keeps you warm, and it's very comfortable. I also styled a hat with this outfit because there's a theme in this video, and the fact of the matter is, with all the travel that we do, it's sometimes hard to find room in your suitcase to pack a hat, pack a jacket, so when in doubt, just wear it on the plane. You can always take it off and throw it in the overhead bin or keep it with you under the seat.
Thank you so much for watching. I really hope you were able to find some good fashion inspiration in this video. Which outfit was your favorite? Please let me know down below in the comments. For more travel and fashion content, you can follow me on Instagram at Sheikh. I'll put the handle down below. Thank you again. See you soon.